our check. I'm using my new shoes. Labas ulit kami. I am pink girly again, which I have always been.
You fell in love, my God.
We are grocery shopping for our food later and tomorrow. And pasalubong din sa mga nag-alaga sa baby ko. Ang laki naman. Atan eh. Eh. Dalawa? Ah. Pang-awid ay.
Dalawang maliliit.
Bright and light for later. Twix for Iya. And nasan yung Reese's dito? Reese's. Wala ba yung Here is our cart. The Reese's for Eros, Twix for Iya, and the others pang pasalubong sa pamilya. Uy, rhymes. Babatit. Kahit anong matatamis, kikit dami. Wag KitKat na maingit ako. Charot. Joke lang. Magte-take out kami ng food. Here is our food na itadala namin sa cafe. We're here. We're here at the cafe, Wildflower Cafe, and I was not expecting na their menu is so mahal. OMG ka. Nawala yung ano niya. Oh my God. Goodbye. Buti na may extra. I don't remember what it's called. Nawala siya. Oh my God. Diri. That's good. Hey. We took a lot of pictures. Pauwi na kami. I'm so tired. Nawala yung fluff ng mic ko. Hindi ko alam sa naulog. We're home. Let's see. It's time to close the door. Happy Ay, hindi pa pala ito yung kwarto. Ito pala. Wow! It's so malinis! Ayoko ipakita sa inyo kasi Yes, finally. I'm super tired. Pero thank goodness na-withstand ng blush on ko yung tagal. Watch me mag-ayos ng mga kalat ko. Finally, I'm done. Cleanit ko na din yung buhok ko kasi ayokong dinidistract ako ng hair ko. I'm done. Kailangan ko na lang gawin is mag-remove ng makeup. Pero papahinga lang ako saglit. And then I'm gonna shower. And then I'm gonna play some games. Ay, pero na-withstand na makeup ko yung City Air. Feeling ko pang City Air talaga yung makeup ko. Thank you sa aking. And this is me with the makeup. Ayos na ako. Yung matanggal ng smudge na mascara. So, yung cleansing foam ko na lang ginagamit ko. I'm so tired. But I'm still gonna play. Good morning. So it's day 3. And I'm hungry. Breakfast time. Ito ang kakainin natin. KFC. Yes. I'm done eating, so I will pick an outfit for today. Kasi uwi na din kami. So ito yung susuot ko. My boyfriend's jacket. And I'm gonna borrow this orange top, backless top, and this beige na jeans. Maliligo na ako, and then mag-get ready with me na tayo. I'm done. Nakaligo na ako. Nakapalit na din ako. Gagawin ko na lang is mag-skincare and get ready with me. So, I'll probably not film that. So, kasi ulit-ulit lang din yung makikita yung routine. So, I'll be right back after ko mag-get ready with me. Okay, now I'm done. Ito lang yung makeup look natin. Mas madami akong blush na nilagay kasi madami akong nailagay. Pero kunwari intentional na lang yun. So, fit check. Wait a minute. Fit check na. Hi! Finally, may mic na ulit ako. I mean, hindi naman siya nawala. Hindi ko lang siya nagamit kasi tinatamad ako mag-set up.
Di mo siya matagal i-set up. May ilalagay ka lang naman sa charging port ng phone mo. Yun lang naman gagawin mo. Pero kasi, tamad ako guys. So, wala tayong magagawa dun. So, I hope makasurvive yung nails ko. Oh my gosh! Actually, okay lang. Ulitin ko na lang tong nails na to kasi I forgot, mag-week pa pala ako. Na ako nagdala ng ibang nails. Well, that's fine. Ulitin ko na lang to. I mean, halos puro pink lang din naman yung susuot ko. Right? Okay, see you guys later. Uuwi na kami. Goodbye. Lang naiwan dito sa natin. Bye. Nakasakay na kami. And it's first class. This is my very first time. Uri ka. Walang charger port. Some hagdan?